Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is super exciting because I really wanted to do an updated skincare and makeup routine type of video for you guys, but I've been seeing this type of video trending on YouTube and it looked like so much fun, so I wanted to do it as well. So I'm just going to be pretending that I'm on Vogue and I'm here to show you guys all of my beauty secrets on skincare and how to achieve a really simple, natural makeup look. So without further ado, let's just hop right in. So first things first, I always have to cleanse my skin. I typically cleanse my skin morning and night. During the mornings, I always like to do my workouts and then jump in the shower to just freshen up for the day. And so that's what I did today. I had my morning workout. I jumped in the shower and I cleansed my skin, and this is the one cleanser that has been my go-to for the last couple of years now. So this cleanser is by the brand Pure and Simple. It's a Canadian local brand here in Toronto, and this is their Pure Skin face wash. So I really enjoy this cleanser because it's really gentle, great for sensitive skin, but this is a gel consistency. So I love how it just lathers my skin without stripping my skin's natural oil barriers. So this cleanser has just been a go-to of mine. It's also recommended for acne prone skin. I do have dry acne prone skin, so this has been doing really well and I love using it, again, morning and night. So my next step in my skincare routine is applying some sort of toner on my skin. I'm a really big fan of witch hazel. So this is also by the brand Pure and Simple, and this is their organic witch hazel. I just love using it because it's antibacterial and it's just going to help kind of prevent further breakouts on my skin. But also, ultimately, I just love how it makes my skin feel right after I get out of the shower and after I've cleansed my skin. I feel like it just gives my skin a little bit of boost of hydration, and it just prepares my skin to absorb all of the other products that I'm about to apply. So the next step is applying my eye cream, and one of my absolute favorite eye creams is by Martina Gebhardt, and this is their eye care eye cream. It's rich in avocado oil, so it's really great for anyone who has super dry skin, and it's a very rich, hydrating eye cream. So I always use my ring finger and I'll just apply this eye cream all around my eye because it is such a dry area. I do like to apply my eye cream morning and night, so that way I can just keep these under eyes super hydrated all day long. Next up, I am going in with my daily moisturizer. So for the daytime, I absolutely love using this moisturizer. It's by The Ordinary, and this is their Natural Moisturizing Factors Plus HA. I love this moisturizer because it's super lightweight and it absorbs into the skin really well. It is non-scented as well, and I feel like it's just the perfect moisturizer for daytime. All right, so you guys can probably already see that my skin is looking super dewy and hydrated, which is the goal at the end of the day. We want to have beautiful, radiant skin, but just with those few simple products, they just go a long way, and I really like to keep my skincare routine super simple. So now that we are moving on to the warmer months, I am so on top of wearing my SPF. And mind you, I was never the type of person to really wear SPF because I've always just wanted to get a natural suntan. So I've just promised myself that starting this year that I am going to wear sunscreen every day, whether sun or rain, whatever it may be, because I know even when the sun's not shining, there are some UVA and UVB rays kind of penetrating through those clouds, and they're still affecting our skin at the end of the day. So one of my go-to sunscreens to use is this by Supergoop. It's their Play Everyday Lotion Broad Spectrum Sunscreen SPF 50. So I just use this for my face, and I do use other sunscreens for my body. So one of my go-to sunscreens for my body actually is by Neutrogena, and this is the Ultra Sheer Body Mist. This is absolutely amazing. You don't even have to rub it in, and it's super quick and easy to use. So I just apply about this much of the Supergoop sunscreen, and I'm just going to press this onto my skin. I am a big believer also to always have your SPF separate from your face moisturizer. So for example, I know a lot of skincare out there, they have moisturizers that have an SPF built into it. However, I feel like with your face moisturizers, you want them to be able to penetrate into your skin so that you're receiving all of the benefits from your moisturizers, such as the vitamins and hyaluronic acid, things that are going to just help plump and hydrate your skin. Whereas your SPF, I always like to use an SPF that uses minerals such as titanium dioxide or zinc. These are really great minerals that help protect your skin from the UVA and UVB rays. However, these sunscreens should be sitting on the top layer of your skin, and they shouldn't be penetrated into the skin. When your sunscreen is just layered on top of your skin, it is creating that barrier to protect your skin from those damaging rays. So just as a reminder, when you are looking to purchase some face moisturizers and face sunscreens, make sure that your face moisturizer is free from SPF, and then use an SPF moisturizer over top just to maximize your skincare benefits. All right, so moving on, one of the last steps I'll do is go in with the Saint Tropez Self Tan Purity Spray. So even though I'm wearing sunscreen and I'm protecting my skin from the sun, I'm not really catching much of a tan, but I still want to look like a tan goddess. So with the help of some self-tanning products that are safe for your skin, you can still look like a tanned goddess without damaging your skin. So I just put about 3 to 4 sprays of this onto my skin during the daytime, and then throughout the day, you'll notice that my skin will just gradually have a beautiful tan and glow to it. All right, so now moving on to the makeup. I'm just going to be showing you guys what I typically do on a daily basis. It's super minimal and effortless, but still shows all of your beautiful features. So let's just jump right into it. So one of the first steps, I am going in with my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. You guys can't see any of the writing on the bottle because I've had this for a little bit now. And I love it, and just by, touching it all the time, it just wears off. So this one is in the shade number 2 in Light. And I just really like to use this on the high points of my cheeks. And then I will go over this with a tinted moisturizer, and it's just going to allow me to achieve a really beautiful natural glow from within. So for the tinted moisturizer, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Ease Drop Blurring Skin Tint in the shade number 6. I really love this ever since I got my hands on it. It gives you such a beautiful amount of coverage, but it's not heavy at all. You don't even feel like you're wearing anything on your skin. So I just put a little bit on each side of my cheeks, and I'm going in with my damp beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend this all out. So everything is now blended in, and our skin is looking a little bit more even and radiant. So now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of a concealer underneath the eyes just to brighten them up a bit more, and I'm going in with the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and this is in the shade Vanilla. So I'll just use a very little amount of product here on the brush, and I'm just going to apply just a few dots right here in the shallow part of my eye because I want to kind of diminish the shadow there, just again to help brighten up the under eye area. And I'm just going in with my damp beauty blender again, just to blend that all in. And I'll also drag the rest of the product over my eyelid just to kind of cover up any of the redness and the veins. So very lightly, I'm just gonna go over my face with a translucent setting powder by Laura Mercier. And I'm just going to be using a brush about this size, and I'm just going to lightly dab the powder all over my face, again just to lightly set everything in place and just kind of avoid the look of being oily or greasy throughout the day. So just super simple and easy. So I always love adding just a little bit of blush because I feel like it just kind of brings your skin back to life and looks just a lot more natural. So I've been in love with this Sephora Flushed blush. This is like a kind of cream blush product. So I'm just going to apply a very small amount to my fingertip here, and I'm just going to smile and apply it right to the apple of my cheek. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And I'm going to be using a brush to drag my blush upwards and back. So I'm just going to put a little bit like that. I'm just going to be using this angled blush brush, and like I mentioned, I'm just going to push the blush back and upwards, and it's just going to give me more of a lifted effect and just give my skin a little bit more color and look super natural. Also, the shade of this blush is called Cloudy Pink. And sometimes I'll use whatever's left on the brush and just kind of go over my nose here so it kind of looks like I was naturally under the sun. All right, next I'm going to quickly fill in my brows a little bit. One of my go-to products is by Urban Decay, and this is their brow blade. I love how both ends are super easy to use. We have a retractable pencil here, and then we also have a very fine tip here just to help mimic the hair strokes of your brow. So I'm just going to fill my brows in with this super quickly, and I do use the shade Dark Drapes. And then to set the brow hairs in place, I'm going in with the NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel in the shade Clear. All right, next I'm just going to quickly curl my lashes and apply some mascara. I've been absolutely in love with this mascara recently. My aunt actually got it for me because she's actually seen it all over TikTok. And so this mascara is by the brand Essence, and this is their Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. This is in the shade Black. I absolutely love it because it really does separate all my lashes, gives it a lot of volume and length without looking clumpy at all. All right, you guys, so we are ready to wrap this whole makeup look together just by finishing off with the lips. So this has been my go-to lip combo as of recently. So this lip liner is by the Sephora brand, and this one is called Pink Beige, and I go over top with the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brulee. All right, you guys, that wraps up my morning skincare routine and my simple everyday makeup routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely leave a thumbs up and subscribe because I'm always coming out with a brand new video every Sunday. So stay tuned. I can't wait to see you guys next time on my next video, and have a wonderful day whenever you're watching this. Mwah. Bye.